Hi you all, thank you for joining me on day 3 of the 7-minute lower ab challenge, strengthen and tone. The only equipment you're going to need is your mat. Today we'll be having 9 movements, 30 seconds on for each movement with 15 seconds rest in between. If you're just making it here today, by the way, my name is Joy and I am instructing you through this challenge. Our workout begins in 2, 1. Let's get it. So our first movement will be in and out, be lying on our mat with the neutral spine. We're going to have our knees bent and then extend them in front of us. As our legs extend, we're going to raise our arms above our head, and as our legs come in, so will our arms. They will meet our heels as our knees come into our chest. I want you to inhale with your legs extended, and I want you to exhale as you bring your knees in. We have entered our first rest. We called a double leg stretch. We'll be in a seated position. Fully extend our legs in about 90 degrees, and we're going to grab our heels with the palms of our hands and hold this position. If this position you feel like is too difficult for you, you can go ahead and bend your knees slightly and hold it there, but still have those breaths. Amazing. All right, so we're going to be in this rest and prepare for our next move. We're going to do the same position as our previous workout, a double leg stretch position, but this time we're going to have a leg lower with it. So be in that seated position, do a full double leg stretch, have your palms behind you to support this position, and lower one leg at a time, bringing them back up into the air and back down. Smile, tighten that core, focus on that core engagement. That mind to muscle connection is key. Right, you guys, and the rest, I want you to prepare for coming to do sit-ups. We'll be lying on the mat in a neutral spine, our knees bent at 90 degrees. We're going to come into a sit-up, and then we're going to turn to our left, come to a sit-up, and then turn to our right. Making sure as we come up and turn, we focus on pulling in that lower belly, focusing on that tailbone, bringing it down towards our heel so we can have the best form for this movement. And our next movement will be a roll up. So we'll be laying flat on our backs, and then we'll slowly come up to touch our heels and slowly digress down, allowing for additional pressure to be on our abs. I'm rolling my shoulders back as I come up to maintain a straight spine. Inhaling on our mats and exhaling as we bring ourselves up. Wonderful. All right, we want to focus on V out. So again, we're going to be having our elbows behind us to support our position. We're going to have our legs 90 degrees, and we're just going to separate our left leg from our right leg, forming a V shape. Hold your chin up, exhale, and inhale. We're going to prepare to get into the next movement, which is an Indian push-up. We'll begin in downward facing dog, and then we'll transition into an upward facing dog, making sure our bodies don't touch the mat. We'll feel the stretch here on our core. Inhale, come up slowly, tighten that core in the exhale of down dog. Inhale, come up slow and controlled. Feel the tightness in your core as you exhale in down dog. Very well. And we are going to get in the position for a side plank. Yes, a side plank. We'll be on our sides, making sure one leg is beneath us and the other leg is on top of that leg. We'll make sure we'll have our forearm supporting this position and our opposite arm held in the air. You can either balance your top leg on top of your bottom leg, or like I had before, have that top leg staggered right in front of the bottom for more support. Inhale and exhale as we're holding this movement. Very, very good, you guys. I'm so proud of you. And we are now going to rotate to the opposite side. Same thing with your forearm, making sure it's stable underneath you, wrist in line with the elbow, elbow in line with that shoulder, making sure that we press up from the ground using that bottom heel, that heel of our bottom leg. You can put the top leg in front of the bottom one for more support. I want you to focus on more mind to muscle connection with that oblique. Breathing in and out with a smile. And you did it. We finished. I hope you guys did it with me and having a wonderful rest of your day. Please stay tuned for the video of the rest of this challenge. And what day are you on and how consistent? Please comment below. I would love to hear it. Bye for now.
Life is a blessing. Life is a blessing, so every day I try to pay attention to the lessons. Nature is reflected, roots are reconnected when you look inside yourself, and the truth will be revealed with any hand that is dealt. Now can't you see? Once you see the scenery around you, nature provides the vibes to keep us down to a healthy mind state. No wait, the clouds have found you, looking at those pearly gates, wishing for round two. Back those steps to all, before you crawl, before those judgments, when that energy was raw. Question mankind.